Hi, so I'm just going to very quickly show you how interlibrary loan or ILL works. So when you start here, we've just been using the default search, which is almost everything. You can choose something called WorldCat, and that is what I would recommend you do. You can also find materials that the library doesn't own just using the almost everything, but WorldCat is a much better and more thorough search. So I'm going to do our friend Caroline Herschel here. Actually, yeah, you know, this thing knows what I like to search for. Okay. And you can also see, you can choose WorldCat up here, right? If you click on this, you can choose the different things you want to search. So if you see, it should say either check for available services or check shelf. And if you click on that, it says request from another SUNY library. So we have a deal with the SUNYs where if you check something out, if you ILL something that is from another SUNY, you get to keep it for the whole semester and it comes a little bit more quickly. So that's really great. If it's something that we don't have, this will automatically bounce you to an ILL request instead if you're already registered for ILL. So all you do is click this. Something's going to happen with this, I swear. There we go, look, it fills in all the fields for you, and then you would just send the request, and then you're done. Okay? Let me know if you have questions.